Steel barndominiums, also known as barndos, are open-concept steel-framed structures that allow for a variety of mixed uses. Combining the aesthetics of a traditional barn with the modern living conveniences of a condominium, many barndominiums are built with the goal of providing flexibility for both work and residential living. If you're considering a steel-framed barndominium and you want to know what advantages it has compared to traditional pole barn style construction, the benefits are numerous. Steel-framed barndominiums are faster and easier to build. They cost less to insure, they're impervious to fire damage and pest infestations, and they typically last much longer. And when you purchase your steel-framed barndominium kit from General Steel, you get access to a dedicated project coordinator who works with you every step of the way, ensuring the success of your barndominium project from start to finish. The most popular pre-engineered steel barndominium kits from General Steel range in size, from 30 feet by 40 feet to 60 feet by 70 feet, but custom sizes are also available. Every kit comes complete with everything you need to enclose your new barndominium, including the primary and secondary framing, wall, and roof sheeting. All you need is an established foundation and anchor bolts. Doors and windows can even be field located, meaning you can choose where they go after the framing is established. Which barndominium size is right for you? Consider the 30 foot by 40 foot size as an economical choice for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan that includes a functional overhang you can use as a carport or work area. Our 40 foot by 60 foot barndominium is a step up in size and includes an attached 2-car garage. This kit allows for 3-bedroom floor plans. If you're looking for a higher clearance workspace and a more spacious living area, consider the 40 foot by 75 foot barndominium, which can be customized to include walk-in closets, mudrooms, and dedicated dining or living areas. The 60 foot by 60 foot barndominium delivers classic barn-esque styling with cleanly separated living and working quarters. This is an excellent size to consider if you need a 4 or 5 bedroom floor plan. And finally, our biggest standard barndominium size is 60 feet by 70 feet, a perfect solution if you need significantly more shop or garage space alongside ample room to live, dine, relax, and entertain. If you're not sure what size barndominium would work best for you, or you want to discuss a truly custom solution, you're in the right place. General Steel specializes in developing customized barndominium building kits that are right sized for the land you'll be using, the local climate, and your vision for who will be living or working in the building. Don't forget that all General Steel barndominium kits include a standard 50-year structural warranty, a 40-year paint warranty, and a 20 to 25-year roof warranty depending on roof style. At General Steel, we love bringing steel-framed barndominium ideas to life. It all starts with a free quote and a follow-up conversation with one of our steel building specialists. Your vision for a new steel-framed barndominium can become a reality faster and easier than you may think. We look forward to working with you.